Hi guys, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First open the settings. Then find and select personalization and wallpaper and click on customize. And here click on change wallpaper, choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Then you can customize it however you like, you can zoom it in, out, rotate it, and if you like it this way, just mark confirmation mark, and then decide if it's for your lock screen or both home and lock screens. And that's it. Now it is applied on both home and lock screen of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.